Hello everyone, I'm the TTS Gamer and today I'm going to show you how to transform a normal project into the universal render pipeline or the high definition render pipeline. So we have a default scene here. We will start off, I have three different packs right over here, which will be only models, but also we're going to start with the terrain in this video. So because many people have the problem to transform a terrain, a normal terrain, we'll make it a bit smaller to be honest, a bit smaller Reno. There we go. Many people have problems with the terrain to transform it into the universal render pipeline or high definition render pipeline. In our case, we'll make it super easy peasy. Let's go and paint it maybe just a bit. Let's create a layer. I have a grass texture here, super good, super sexy. Well, there we go. We need to raise the terrain a bit. Let's see. There we go, a bit like that. Please don't copy that terrain, it's copyright. Okay, thank you. So we'll remove this one, go into cartoon, outdoor, prefabs, which is this one here. This one is huge as fuck, so we will make it a bit smaller. There we go. Position it at 0, 0, 0. There it is. And now we will also choose another model out of this pack. The Barbarian is good, I think. There we go. And out of the bakery house pack, the bakery house, as we can see. So just put it on the ground right over there like this. We will choose to take the barbarian, put him right over there, and let's see, global. Oh yeah, okay, that's good. So that's enough. That will be our setup, and we have nothing more. Maybe we just turn him a bit like this. Oh yeah, okay. Now we go on the window, package manager. We need to search for universal RP. It depends on if you want to use the high definition render pipeline. You can also choose this one here. I will choose in this video the universal render pipeline. So now I click on install, and yeah, let's install the whole thing. So now we're finished. We just X this one out. So first off, we have to create another folder. Let's create a renderer. And in this folder, we will click right click create, go under rendering, universal render pipeline, and then click on pipeline asset forward renderer. Call this URP. Now we're gonna edit project settings, and under graphics, let's drag it a bit smaller. There we go. Drag in URP. So after you've done this, you'll get scared probably because everything gets pinky. Yeah, pink is good. The problem here is the shader, or let's say your shaders and textures are set up on legacy shader diffuse. You need your shaders under universal render pipeline and one of these here. Most of the time you will use lit or simple lit. In our case, we will first choose a write forward function. We will go under edit, render pipeline, render universal render pipeline, and upgrade project materials to universal render pipeline materials. Proceed, and now you will see bang! Everything is appo to dato. But one thing is that he looks a bit goldish. Oh, I know you like that. Okay, so as this is working super good, we'll check out our terrain. It's still pink-ish, which is alright. I mean, I don't mind. But before we do any changes to it, we just create an empty object, make it to the position 0000. We name this one low poly, and we will drag in the baker house barbarian and the co-base ground block, and we will undo this one here so we can go forward to our terrain. So you can see your terrain under terrain settings. Use the material default terrain, which is also okay, but not in the universal render pipeline. You click right click, create another terrain. As I don't know where the let me check it out. Let me check it out. Um, yeah, good question. Um, I'm searching for something. You know, guys, as this one here is not available, you have to go under this one here. You choose terrain lit, go under the other terrain, and drag the terrain lit inside. Okay. The problem is, this terrain lit is basically the renderer thing for like it's the shader. You have no terrain shader in your project for when you transform it, so that's why you have to create a new terrain. Click on settings, go into material, click on this shader so you know where it is, because it's under packages, somewhere under URP, and then the runtime and the materials, and then it's just right over here. So then go under your default terrain and just, you know, drag it inside, and that's it. And then you have transformed your terrain from the default render pipeline um, to the universal render pipeline. Super easy peasy, you know. Um, Sometimes you will experience some magic, okay, where your stuff is still not apo to dato. Okay, so to do that, you just go under your character then, and then somewhere, let's say we use the cartoon outdoor, it's more simple to show it right over here. You go under models, maybe, yeah, models and materials. Sometimes you will have a shader which is not set up. Then you just will need to change the shader here under universal render pipeline and lit or simple lit. All right, and then just choose one of these and drag your material right over here in the base map. Lit has more options than simple lit. It has basically a normal occlusion and metallic map and some more options right over there. But that should be it, I think, for this tutorial, as I can't think that there's something missing. Sorry for that, but I'm doing the tutorials out of fun, not for anything else. So if there is less professionality as in other videos, just I'm sorry for that. But as you can see, that's it actually. That's it for the video. I hope you like it. If you have like ideas for another videos, just let me know. I have ordered, by the way, a super nice microphone and a mixer. And when they come here, because of Corona, it will take a bit longer. Then you will experience here high audio quality, and you will learn to love me. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.